In this video, I'm going to share with you a 5-step formula for how you can get rich with affiliate marketing in 2019. So stay tuned. Hey, what's going on? It's Jacob. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Like I said off the top, in this video, I'm going to share with you a 5-step formula for how you can get rich with affiliate marketing in 2019. But before we dive into that, if this is your first time here on this channel, I would invite you to click the big red button below and subscribe, then click that little bell icon so you get notified every time I drop a new video. I've got a ton of content coming down the pipeline relating to building your online business, affiliate marketing, making money from your laptop so you can travel and basically do whatever you want. So if that type of content interests you, be sure to subscribe. And if you like this video in particular, smash the like button because it really does help with the YouTube algorithm and it helps me to know that this is the type of content that you want to see. But with all of that out of the way, let's dive into this 5-step formula. So the very first thing that you need to do if you want to get rich with affiliate marketing in 2019 is you need to master one platform. Now, when I say a platform, I'm talking about some kind of platform that you can put content onto. You can put photos onto, video onto, written content, audio content, or a combination of all of those. So I'm talking about Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, a blog, any one of those. You need to master them and you need to focus on that and you need to go all in, because the key to making money with affiliate marketing in 2019 is putting out value into the marketplace with your content, with your videos, photos, written content, audio, whatever it may be, and then you push people to a sale after you've given them value first. Give the value, then you make the pitch second. That is the secret formula for how you make money with affiliate marketing. So you've got to master one content platform. You've got to master YouTube, Facebook, podcast, Instagram, a blog, whatever it may be. Choose one that plays to your strengths and master it and start pumping out content related to the products that you want to promote, the niche that you are in. Put out valuable content into the marketplace. That is the first step. The second step is to focus heavily on promoting high ticket products and products that pay you every single month. This is going to get you your biggest return on investment from your time while you're putting all of the content out onto that platform. So focus on high ticket products where you can earn commissions of over $1,000 and focus on recurring products where you get paid every single month, regardless of if you make any new sale. The third step in this success formula is once money starts coming in is to don't go and spend it on stupid shit. Reinvest it heavily into paid ads that are going to explode your growth on whatever that platform is that you chose in step one. So if you're doing a YouTube channel and you start earning money of affiliate commissions from your views, don't go and spend that money on stupid shit. Reinvest it into YouTube ads so you can grow your subscriber base, you can get more views, which is in turn going to make you more money. That's how you go from having no online business to a 6- and 7-figure online business, is you continuously reinvest the money that your business makes. The fourth step is once you start getting some results and once you start developing some authority in your niche, is to really focus on building a personal brand. And personal brand is incredibly powerful because you can build it around your life, you can build it around your story, around your experiences, and people really, really resonate with somebody who's open and honest and shares their life experiences and their life stories as part of their business. It can be a very, very lucrative branding model. What you should then do off the back of that personal brand is look to add more income streams in addition to affiliate marketing. Offer courses, offer coaching, offer physical products, offer merchandise, whatever your brand is related to. Look to add more income streams off the back of your personal brand that you've developed because of your authority in the niche from doing your affiliate marketing initially, and then that's going to make you even more money. And that brings me to step number 5, the final step to bring this all together. Those additional income streams are going to generate you more and more free cash flow that you can put back in to grow the affiliate marketing business, which is going to grow your authority, which is going to grow your reach on the platform, which is going to grow your personal brand, which is going to grow those other streams of income and give you more money to reinvest. So let's do a quick recap. The very first thing that you need to do is master one platform. Then you need to focus on selling high ticket and recurring products so you get the maximum return on your time investment. When money starts coming in, step number 3, when money starts coming in, don't go spend it on stupid shit. Reinvest into the business, explode the growth of that platform that you mastered in step 1, and then that's going to allow you to earn even more money. As you build authority in your niche. Focus on building a personal brand in addition to the platform that you mastered in step 1, and then look to add multiple income streams through courses and coaching and all those kind of things that you can do to make even more money. Then when additional funds are coming in, reinvest them back into that first platform. That's going to grow your reach, which is going to earn you more affiliate commissions, which is going to build your authority and your personal brand, which is going to make you more money off those additional income streams, which you can then in turn reinvest. And that's how you go from no online business to a multiple 6, 7, and potentially an 8-figure online business if you stick with this. Hopefully you found that helpful. Follow this step by step and you can make it big with affiliate marketing in 2019. Please subscribe to the channel, click that big red button, click the little bell icon so you get notified whenever I drop a new video. Give this video a thumbs up if you like this type of content, and I'll see you in the next one.